guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the PUMA RS-DREAMER Super Mario 64. Before we get into the review guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Show us some love, hit us with a thumbs up on those likes, show some love with the comments. We'd like to engage with you all. We try and reply as fast as we can as well, so sorry if there's any delays. Let's get into it. And before we get into the review, I just want to mention how dope the box is, because take one look and it's all nostalgic. You're rushed with all your childhood memories of playing Nintendo. In this case, you're playing Super Mario games, and this is, I want to take into some heart with this, and I just want to mention that Mario 64 has a big impact in my childhood growing up. It was the one that me and my dad played a lot together, so that's always nice. That's one of my earliest memories of playing video games. It was with our N64. I was watching my dad play, and eventually me and my brothers played Super Mario 64, and at the time it was so groundbreaking. It was the first 3D Mario game. Obviously they were all side scrollers that were played on the Game Boy and Super Nintendo, and it was great, and it spawns brilliant sequels. I've got a Nintendo Switch, and Mario Odyssey is a brilliant game. I love that game. Yeah, and you can see Mario through the ages on the top of this box, and you got the Mario 64 right there. In the box cover it was Mario flying, so he's incorporated, he's right there in the corner. And on the box you got the Super Mario logo, Puma, and that stamp of approval from Nintendo. So we've got the RS-DREAMER Super Mario 64 in Flame Scarlet Electric Blue, and we got this in the UK 7.5, it's a European 41, and it's a US 8.5. And we can now get opening, and oh, look at that, same as the box as well. Nice touch Puma, really nice touch. A lot of paper though. I'm a bit worried about our carbon footprint, but waste of materials. There we go. And here we go. We look at this sneaker, and if it didn't have the Super Mario branding, I would think that this was for Transformers. You know, it reminds me of Optimus Prime. Don't know why that's my first thought. But the RS-DREAMER, for those that did not know, it's J. Cole's basketball sneaker, and these were built for basketball. I'm not sure if that J. Cole one was specifically J. Cole's, if you know what I mean. I don't know if that specific colorway is J. Cole's or the whole sneaker line is J. Cole's. I'm not 100% sure. If so, if you can help me, comment below. I want to learn. We start with the outsole. It's an all rubber outsole with a yellow panel there in the middle, and the traction patterning, it reminds me of a leaf. It really does. And you can find it all over. It's all rubber. Obviously this was built for basketballs, and you need that traction support. Going along onto the midsole. So this midsole is made up of Puma's Pro foam and RS foam. So that RS foam we've tinkered upon, we've done a review on, and we've done the RSX, and that is the most famous silhouette to have the RS foam. I thought that was comfortable at the time. I'll let you know how these feel when we do that on feet. And what I really like about this is that there's a really subtle Puma stripe going there. Really nice touch. Going along to the upper. So this whole upper is a mesh. It's knitted. It's all synthetically made. The red bits, I mean. And you look at the blue. So obviously red and blue, those are Mario's colors. He wears like a red overshirt and blue overalls. A fused metallic silver panel right there, just by the laces. Classic crisscross action with the lacing system. If you work all the way onto the tongue, so this tongue is nicely padded, it's again a knitted material, synthetic, with the Super Mario logo, with a pull tongue action. I don't know what this tube here is. I don't know what that's for. I mean, I can see it support one of the lacing, but this whole thing, it astonishes me, to be honest. Going along to the heel, so you got a pull tab at the heel, and the Mario, it's the gold star that you collect in Mario 64. That's where the castle, the Mushroom Kingdom, gets their powers. And at the insole, you got the Super Mario logo on the left, and you have the Mario with the winged cap on the right. And to round it off, I can't believe Puma pulled off a really dope collaboration with Nintendo, in this case Super Mario. As I mentioned, if I didn't know that this was a Super Mario without the branding, I would actually think this was Transformers. I mean, red and blue, and to be fair, they're good guys. You know, Mario and Optimus Prime. You know, take one for the good team. I can't wait to try these on. It's like a hybrid of a basketball and a running sneaker. What more do you want? Really innovative. And Puma, again, coming out, like, I think they're really underappreciated in this day and age. I'm going to be wearing more Pumas. You heard it here first. Let's do it. Let's show you what they look like on. When it comes to the sizing, guys, I would say get your true to size Puma fit. This is a 7.5. I feel like it's the right fit in regards to the height. My toes are at the end, but it feels like it's really tight, if that makes sense. This is, after all, a basketball sneaker, so you're intended to have lockdown support, and I feel very much supported. It feels like there's a grip on my feet, but it is relatively bouncy. I can feel that foam on my heels, but I feel like this is one that you have to break into. Thanks guys for watching this video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.